Now I will explain you with the help of an example that how to draw a pair of tangents for a given circle from a given point outside the circle in the plane of circle using center and without using center. First I am taking by using center. As an example is here that construct a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Easiest job, take the compass, fix the pencil on the plain piece of paper, draw the circle by taking the radius as given 3 centimeter and mark its center as O. Construct a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Now take a point P 7 centimeter away from the center of circle. Here I would like to tell you that we want to take a point P in the plane of circle, but distance of point P is how much? 7 centimeter. That means with the help of scale, we will take a point P outside the circle, obviously at a distance of 7 centimeter, and then we will join and we will write this length will be mentioned as 7 centimeter. This radius is how much? 3 centimeter as given. So the language of question can also be changed like this, that construct a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Now take a point P. In place of saying 7 centimeter away from center, question can say that is 4 centimeter away from its circumference, because 3 is this, remaining part is 4, which is 4 centimeter away point from the circumference. Saying 4 centimeter away from circumference or directly saying 7 centimeter away from center is the same meaning. Now from this point P, we would like to draw a pair of tangents by using the center. So what is the approach? First of all, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this OP. Where this perpendicular bisector intersects our OP, we will write that point M. Taking M as center, we will draw another circle whose radius is equal to radius of MO or MP, because MO and MP are equal. Now what we have performed, we have drawn a circle of radius 3 centimeter by taking O point as center in the plane. We have taken a point P which is 7 centimeter away from O. We have drawn the perpendicular bisector of OP. Where this perpendicular bisector meet this point is taken as M. By taking M as center, MO or MP as radius, we have drawn another circle which intersects our old circle or original circle at 2 points A and B. When we will join P to A and extend, and we will join P to B and extend, we will find these two rays PA and PB are the tangents. Length of these tangents can be measured and are equal. So what happens? We have drawn two tangents to the circle as required in the question. First of all, we have drawn the circle. Second, we have taken a point P outside the circle. Now whatever line segment OP is joined, we have drawn its perpendicular bisector. Intersection of perpendicular bisector and line segment OP is taken as center. Taking that point as center and half of the length of the point and the center as radius, we have drawn a new circle. Intersection of these circles is taken A and B, and with the help of scale and pencil, P is joined to A, P is joined to B, PA and PB are tangents, which can be proved with the help of the joining of this, because this is 90-degree angle in semicircle for the bigger one. Similarly, this angle is also 90-degree at P. So radius when perpendicular to a line is known as tangent. Similarly, PB is tangent, and by the property of the congruence, we can say PA and PB are tangents which are equal in length. So this is one of the construction where we perform to draw a pair of tangent under the given condition by using center. This can also be performed without using center, and now I will explain you how to draw a pair of tangent in different situation.